What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and we're outside giving this BMW a nice waterless wash with our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. Guys, come and check out the results that we're getting. This car sat outside for over a month, but we're actually in a drought out here in California. There's a lot of wildfires. We don't want to waste water. Over here at Masterson's Car Care, we're a green company, and we believe taking care of Mother Nature is #1 priority. So we're doing the best we can to reserve water. So we're washing all our cars at the shop with our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. Now, I've already washed some of the panels here, but I wanted to show you how good it works on these wheels. Now, these wheels right here are filthy dirty on this BMW. They haven't been washed in a long time. So I'm just gonna show you how I wash them using our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine. You can pick this up on our website, mastersonswax.com. And a lot of people were asking about our waterless wash. How does it work? Can you use it on something really dirty? And the dirtiest thing I could think of was this wheel, man. It hadn't been washed in a long time. It's really dirty. So I'm just gonna mist it with our waterless wash, and already look how it's emulsifying the dirt and taking it off. All I do is I take my microfiber towel, wipe, pulls it away. That's really incredible how that works. And just the power of the microfiber is enough to clean the wheel. You know, it doesn't need to be overly scrubbed. It doesn't need to be aggressively cleaned with any too strong chemical. This just pulls it off, and it pulls off the dirt instantly. Look how it pulls off the dirt. And I'm gonna flip my towel over to a clean side, and then I'm just gonna buff it because it already released off the brake dust. Now, I like cleaning wheels like this, especially in a time like this because it's our summer, and they closed all the national parks in California because of the wildfire danger. There's just too many wildfires out there. And we need all the water resources that we can do to help save our state. So I'm gonna use our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine to clean the rest of this car, but I just wanted to show you on like half this wheel how great it emulsifies brake dust. And if you live in an area that you want to conserve water, or you just don't want to use water, you don't have access to water, this is a great way to wash your car. This car hasn't been washed in over a month. I think the owner thought it was 2 months, but this car is filthy dirty. And look how it just cleans off the brake dust on this daily driver BMW. Pretty cool, look at that, that's great. That's a big difference already on the car. And we've been actually just showing our customers and showing our viewers how well our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine actually works on surfaces, because you can see a big difference on there just on the wheel, how easy it pulls off the brake dust. And I hope you guys like this, and I hope you guys can use the Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine to conserve water, save water, wash your car easier if you don't have access to water. I'm actually gonna wash the whole rest of this car. And if you guys wanna take a look at our Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine and all of our other videos, hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, give us a thumbs up. Also click that subscribe button, check out all the cool other products that we do make right here at Masterson's Car Care. And I'm Greg from Masterson's. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.